Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another knowledgeful video. So in this video, we are going to see how to implement dark mode in your Android application. So you maybe see lots of application on Play Store which implement both day mode and dark mode in their application, but how they are able to manage these kind of thing in such big application. So they know a super efficient solution for this. So in this video, I am going to tell you super efficient solution by using that you can achieve the dark mode in your application by just writing few lines of code. So in this video, according to my application, I am going to implement dark mode in just 5 minutes. But if it is a big application, then it will not going to take more than 30 minutes. It doesn't matter how much the application is big, it will not going to take more than 30 minutes. So maybe you don't know how these things will work in Android, so I am going to make these things super easy for you. So watch the video till end, and if you don't like the video till now, then please like the video. Now before starting the video, first I want to show what I am going to do in this video. So for this, let's see a demo what we are going to perform in this video. So for this, first of all, I open this application. So I created this application day night. So I open this. So by default, you can see it contain a light mode. So it contain a switcher. When I click on switcher, it will going to change the theme of this application to dark mode. So if I click on this, you can see the dark mode switch successfully and the colors of everything is changed successfully. You can see the text color is changed, background color is changed, status bar color is changed. If I again switch back to our light mode, you can see now the colors change. So in this video, I am going to tell you how these things work in Android, and I just completed this application dark mode by writing only 3 or 4 lines. So don't further delay, now let's start the video, and if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. So now let's start the video. So for this, first of all, what I have to do, I have to open my Android Studio and click on file, then you have to click on new, then you click on new project, click on empty activity, click on next, and from here give any application name. So I simply give here day night tutorial, day night theme tutorial, it is better name. Then I click on finish. Now Gradle is building, so close this tip. This is the tip of the day. So now Gradle will successful and we are ready to write the code. So first of all, before understanding how the dark mode and light mode work in Android, first of all understand what are the things behind the day and night mode. So the things which are behind are colors. Colors are everything in Android if you want to implement day mode and dark mode in your application. So let's open your source folder, and inside your values folder you can see we have a colors file. You can see this is our colors file basically, which is used for performing the app colors, where we will define all our app colors. But these colors are for day. These colors are for day. If you switch your application to dark mode, then these colors are not going to be useful, because these colors are just for day. So how you can achieve the dark mode? So for this, we have to create a separate color files for night, and I will tell you how to do this. So you have to right click here, then new, then you click on value resource file, give the file name here colors. Again, I can give the same name here, and I will tell you how. And from here you have to click on night mode and click on this button. Now you have to select from here night. So it will going to create the colors night.xml. Click on OK. So you can see this is colors.xml and this is colors.xml, and in bracket you can see it is night. So hope you understand how it is easy to create a dark mode for your application. Now how these things work. So let us suppose I have an application and I open my activity main XML file and I click on split. First of all, change the to relative layout and delete this. So now let us suppose if I want to give a background color here. So if I want to give any kind of background color in my application, but that background color is different for day mode and that background color is different for night mode. So for this, first of all, or in my day mode, I simply take an open bracket, type here color, and I give the color name background color. I give this name, and I can define any color which I want to use in my day mode. So for this, I am going to use this color FEF. So I am going to use this color. But if user switch on to the dark mode, then I want to use different color. So how I can achieve this? Copy this color, come inside this color and paste this color. So you can see I can use the same name in both colors.xml. This is the color background color, same name, and this is the color name, but I can choose a different color here. So in dark mode, what color I want to use, so it is depend on your application, what you want to achieve. So I simply type here A12 568. This is something a dark color, you can see it is fine. So now you can see I use two different color codes for the same name, so if you, it doesn't matter how much the application is big, you have to use the same name with different color codes for, and by using this you can achieve not only dark mode, you can achieve as multiple themes in your application, multiple themes. So now open your activity main XML file, and inside background, what I have to type here, background color. So by default it is in my Android Studio is in day mode, so that's why it is showing white here. But if it is in dark mode, then it will going to show here purple, and it will going to again same in your Android application. When you run this application, if your theme is day, then it will going to show this, and if your theme is dark, then it will going to show this color code. But because you can see the name is same, and Android Studio switch automatically, so you don't have to write anything to use the colors night for some condition, to use colors day for some condition. No, you don't write to need anything. So you can see this is the simplest way to implement dark mode in your application. So hope you understand how these things work. Now let's complete our application. So for this I open my previous application, and to copy the color codes, because I didn't remember the color codes, so I open this, and it contains these colors. So I copy this, Control C copy, and open this and paste these colors here. This is the colors day. Now in night I also have to paste this, so I copy this and I paste these colors here. So you can see it is fine. So you can see the name is same, text color. So text color 2, switch color, but it is depend on which theme I am present. So it will automatically going to choose the color which I want to use. So hope you understand. Now one more thing I can do, you can see I want to change my title bar color as well. So purple 700 is responsible for the title bar color. So in day mode I want to use this color, something like this. So I copy this, Control C copy, and paste this purple 700 as well here. And in my dark mode I want to use same color as background color for my title bar. So this is done. So now everything is done. Now let's create our activity main XML file. So for this it is better to copy the code, because I don't want to stress the video, because it is very easy, you can do it by on. So I copy this, Control C copy, and paste the code here. So you can see it contains a text view, and the text size 50 sp text, and I give the text color. So one important thing, you just have to give attribute of color in every element which you want to use in your application. So you can see I use a text view here, so I set the text color. So you have to give the attribute everywhere wherever you want to use any element. So if you suppose you don't write any attribute, then it will not going to switch according to our themes. So hope you understand why it is compulsory to write here. So hope you understand. And this is just another text view, and this is our switcher. So it is a switcher, and I give the thumb tint switch color and text color black. So now you can see I give the text color here black. So in colors.xml you can see in white, in day colors, the black color, it represent black color. So I copy this and I paste this colors in night as well. So in night I want to use represent black as white. So I give the same name here, but I choose here white. So when I switch the C, it will automatically going to change it to white. And now let's write the Java code to switch the themes. So for this, what I have, first of all I have a switch here. So switch, I give the function name, variable name a switch, then a switch equal find view by id r.id.switcher. I give this id in XML, so you can confirm this. You can see this is the id switcher. So first of all I want to hide my action bar, get support action bar dot hide, then a switch dot set on check chain listener. So this boolean contain whether the switch is on state or off state. So if it is true, then it means switch is on. So if it is on, then it means we are on dark mode, and if it is not, then we are on day mode. So here we have to write the code. So for switching the theme in Android, we have to use app-compat delegate dot switch dot set default night mode, and inside this you have to type again app-compat delegate dot mode night, yes, this one, and copy this. And if it is not used in on state, then I want to use my default theme, which is white. So here you have to type in mode night no. So you can see our application is ready, and I make the dark and light theme application by using only colors. So this is very super easy solution for this. Now let's check our app whether the app is working or not. So I press on run button and Gradle will start building. So Gradle build successful and it will going to install the application inside our phone. So now application installed successfully. So you can see by default we are on night mode. So if I press on button, it will going to change the theme, and you can see the colors are changed successfully, background changed successfully, everything changed successfully, and we don't write any code, any Java code. We done everything using the colors XML. So you can see this is the super easy solution, super easy. You just have to give the different color codes in your night and day XML, but with the same name. So I hope guys you understand this video. If you have any question, if you have any query, just comment down below. I will try to give the answer of every comment. Please like the video, please share the video, please subscribe the channel. If you have any question, just comment down below. So thank you. See you soon in next amazing video. Thank you.